Yo, what is up guys? It's your Tech Joycey and I'm back again with another video. So right now guys, I'll be showing you a tour of the Samsung office kung paano po nila ginagawa yung kanilang phone kagaya po nito. So, I'll show you on your screen kung gaano ka-thorough yung nagawa nilang phones para maging durable at yung maging kagaya ng iti-test nila po kung gaano kaganda yung water resistant, yung bend test. So, kompleto po dyan lahat guys. So, makikita nyo sa screen nyo kung gaano nila pinapolish lahat para maging very durable and saleable yung kanilang phone. So, ganun ka-high-tech ang Samsung, guys. So, makikita nyo sa screen nyo. So, super finesse, ang galing. Tapos, ilang beses nilang i-review yung charging capacity. Tapos, pati yung IP68 rating nila or 67 rating nila, yung glass, yung durability ng glass nila. Tatry din nilang i-bend test, drop test. Pinabasa rin nila guys, pati yung charging na cables, sinatry nila lahat. So pag merong mga products na or isang phone na nag-failed, makikita nila doon through that, puro machine ang kanilang ginagamit. So ganyan kaganda yung Samsung na company. So yeah. Okay. So it's showing on your screen kung gaano kadaming, actually halos puro machines, no? Hindi lahat tao ang gumagawa, machines halos lahat. Ganyan kagaling yung innovations ng technology natin ngayon na machine na po ang naggumagawa, hindi na tao. Very precise yung cuts nila, very finesse yung kanilang mga ginagawa. Yeah. Okay. Guys, chine-check po nila paulit-ulit yung kanilang products. Yan, they're checking the water resistance. Yun yung isa na work and the other one isn't. Tapos, nilalagay nila yung sa hanggang gaano ka hot at kalamig ang kaya ng phone na to. Then, i-retest na naman nila. So, ilalagay nila yan po. Bend test naman. Yun. Ang galing, di ba? Wow, superb. So, yan. Chine-check ng parang quality assurance team. Tapos, yung battery compression, tine-check din nila lahat. So, ganun po ka galing, no? Ilang beses dumaan sa quality assurance team ang kanilang phone bago po nila ito ilalagay sa market. Yan, yun yung battery compression guys. Kasi minsan pag fail yung battery kagaya ng Note 7 I think na pumutok yung battery, yun ni-recall nila lahat, no? Hindi yata minadali kasi nila yun para to compete sa release ng iPhone, and yun yung naging result na ni-recall nila lahat ng Note 7 series kasi nga pumutok. So ganyan kadami yung tinetest nila na phones. Yun, they're testing kung gaano ka bilis i-charge. So usually ngayon fast charging na lahat. Ayan, ang daming phone kung nakikita nyo sa screen. Woo! Yan, yun yung mga quality assurance team, yung mga IT nila. Yan. And then dumadaan sa parang pinaka-head ng Samsung, or siguro siya yung operations manager, I'm not sure. So ganyan po guys, as you can see on your screen, ang ganda ng high-tech masyado, lahat machines na ang nagdadala. Yun siguro yung quality assurance team. Okay. Yan. Samsung products guys for me is by far the best phone when it comes to functionality and finesse. Ang Note 20 Ultra guys is a sample product of perfection by Samsung. It is the best phone in 2020 para sa akin, and talo niya yung 11 Pro Max, especially pagdating sa functionality. Ang dami mong magagawa sa Note 20 Ultra na hindi mo magagawa sa 11 Pro Max. Again, that's my own opinion. And yun guys, kung nakita nyo yung video ko earlier, sobrang ganda ng quality assurance na ginagawa ng Samsung, and yung alam mo yun, yung cuts very perfect. Ang galing nila when it comes to innovation. Hindi sila natatakot to take risk na i-redesign yung kanilang product, and they listen to consumers. And I'll show you my previous videos as well, yung unboxing experience ko ng Note 20 Ultra, and it's one of the best unboxing experience that I have. Aside sa sobrang gusto ko yung color niya, yung ergonomics niya, I like it so much. Yung the build quality ng phone, the weight, the screen, the positioning of the power button on the right side, na dati kasi sa Note 10 Plus nilagay nila yun sa left, and because they listen to consumer, nilagay nila pabalik sa right yung kanilang volume rocker and the power button. Tapos hindi na siya masyadong edgy yung design niya, hindi na siya masyadong sobrang yung screen niya, hindi na masyadong curved. So, I like it better. Tapos yung camera nila at the back, tinanggal din nila yung 100 times zoom na nandun sa S20 Ultra, which was released earlier. So yun, ang ganda ng productivity ng Samsung because yung productivity team nila listen to their consumers. And yeah, I like this phone so much. This is my favorite phone. And again, I salute the Samsung team for their effort, for continuous innovation, and taking the biggest leap and risk in, uplifting and upgrading their designs. Alright, so continue watching the video guys. Don't forget to like the subscribe. Kung meron po kayong mga suggestions on kung ano yung gusto nyong i-upload ko, or kung anong content ang gusto nyong gawin ko the next video, don't forget to comment down below guys. So ayan, by the way, itong Samsung, sila lang yung may S Pen na built-in. Yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for now, and I hope you liked the video at sana nakita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung production ng Samsung. This is again your Tech Joycey, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!